The bank reached out to nvisia a couple years ago for the CCRS project. There were a few things we were looking for. We have a large suite of rather old applications. Some of them were Java-based, some of them were built in other older languages. We had made the decision in our IT area to move towards a more .NET Angular front-end technology stack. We also needed a lot more automation than what we had in the past. So when we looked at different vendors, nvisia really helped us fit all of our needs into the resources that they were able to provide.
The counterparty credit rating system is the bank's new system to help us manage unsecured credit exposure. The bank is a significant mover in the Fed funds, reverse repo, and derivatives markets. And this is an all-in-one system that helps us manage all of those exposures on a daily basis.
The unsecured credit exposure system needed to be addressed. The code was very brittle. It was very difficult to maintain. It was very costly to maintain. It also didn't have real-time data. And so we relied on a batch processing to get the data into the system.
FHLBC came to us with a number of needs that nvisia partnered with them on. We had a cross-functional team that we supplied anywhere from product management all the way down to DevOps and cloud.
The bank was making a migration in a lot of ways from more monolithic type of applications to microservice applications. At the same time, they were looking for some foundational technology shifts to go with that, such as Kubernetes, Amazon Web Services, and EKS. From a platform perspective, we were taking them into some new endeavors around Kubernetes on AWS, and we also wanted to make it easy for them to maintain and stand up those environments. So we introduced Terraform as well for infrastructure as code, and leveraging pipelines to build all this as well. So it was a fairly big shift on the platform side. And in doing so, we're actually helping this team, which was the first team at the bank, move forward with this technology stack.
One of the things that really stood out was nvisia's technical capabilities, their ability to partner with the bank to help guide us and consult us on some of the best tools and technologies to leverage as we move forward in this space. They were very price competitive, they were very easy to work with, and ultimately delivered a great product for the bank.
But we're also one of the very first banks in North America that were on AWS cloud, 100% on the cloud. So nvisia really understood how the cloud works with the different server structures and the technology, the coding language that we needed, and really helped us build an app that covered all our bases.
The system has been built with new intraday capabilities. For our desk, instead of having to manage exposures on a spreadsheet, during the day, they'd be able to see where they are in their positions throughout the day. Removing some of the end-user computing tools, removing spreadsheets from the equation, and adding actually a layer of security to the way they'll interact with our partners.
The new system is benefiting the bank as it's much easier to maintain our source code and roll out changes for our membership. In addition, it's much more scalable, and we've got greater visibility into the overall stability and health of the application.
This is going to be close to a 2-year project. We are replatforming our e-banking, our member portal, where our members do take all their transactions, our advances, letters of credit, and such. Very, very happy with the way it's going.
We appreciate the work nvisia did so much that they're currently working on one of our other systems. And this is a core part of the bank. It is our member-facing portal. And I look forward to seeing similarly great results from this partnership.